Welcome back to the videos of Node and React and Node series. Last video we have watched about controllers. Now we will understand what type of databases we'll use. We'll mainly use MongoDB. Okay, so if we go to Chrome and search mongodb.com, just simply search mongodb.com, you will go to the website. Okay, and if you want, you can use MongoDB server side or like this one, or there is another thing that you can use, which is I have installed it. Yeah, here it is. It's called MongoDB Compass. So what it does is the data will never be in the cloud. The data will always be saved in the your personal computer in data saved. They see many I have many data here that have been used, and it's better to use Compass because it gives you more of access and these more of access authorization and more secure. Cloud is also secure, but we know that anything can happen. So in this case, and if you want to install MongoDB, just go MongoDB Compass, MongoDB Compass, and here you will find, go to the website MongoDB Compass, and you will find the download now option. Go to the, I have downloaded it already, I have installed it. So what you have to do is just go down here, MongoDB cell download, and choose what kind of operating system you are using. For me it's Windows, so I have done Windows. And now you can choose zip file or MSI file, anything. I think it's better to choose MSI file and download the link. Okay, you can use also this. You can also download this one. Is the main thing is using the MongoDB cell and MongoDB Compass GUI. These two things will be always necessary for you to download. Okay, and complete the download, and you will say and see any type of data. Where here I have simple data as I can show you. Okay, restart compass, continuing compass without restart. So I'm restarting the compass. Okay, compass has restarted. So the thing is, here are many datas are present, and here you can see there is a small data. This one. So this one, or I can say this thing also. Many data are present, and I just don't want to show some data that are here because some are very important data that are present. And simply you can just edit the string, you can confirm it and just click connect, and there will be a new set of data. Okay, create a, here is a cluster here. You can create a database. Click here to create a database, give the database name, connection name. Okay, yeah, I don't think you need to give the time series. Additional preferences, if you want to give any additional preference, you can give additional preference. Okay, and the database will be created, and then you can push all the data there. It's not much of a deal, and that's how you use this database. See, database are, there are many databases like MongoDB, MySQL, and then there is many other. I can't remember the name right now, but the popular is MySQL and MongoDB. There is also NoSQL is practically what we do in MongoDB. Okay, so that's called NoSQL. What we do in MongoDB practically is known as NoSQL, and So some are there which are uh, well, not right now. We are not going to use that much of it because we are going to focus on Node and MongoDB. And there is another thing, Express.js. I think I have told about it, which is going to a great help when we will be using MongoDB, and that for to use MongoDB in our database and working on it and connecting the MongoDB with our Node.js database, we need to install Mongoose. So if we install Mongoose, so what will happen is it will help us to connect to the database, and we can interact with the data and change the set of data we want as we want in the MongoDB. See Mongoose, you can go to their official site and check what the changes are made. Some changes are made in Mongoose, so I think you can work with it. Schemas are also what now. What are schemas? I will tell you about schemas. Don't worry about that. I'll obviously tell you about schemas. And to use Mongoose, I think here they have given the total installation guide. See, to use Mongoose, you have to just go there, copy this. Okay, go to the file where you have saved your Node.js files, and paste this and press enter. And it will be installed instantly. Not much of a hassle there. They will just do this instantly. And the best thing about Mongoose is, see, guys, the schemas are there, right? This is a very good thing about Mongoose because it provides us with a great help. And actually, I'll show you in the next videos what is a schema, okay, and why we use it. Basically, you'll understand eventually. So, main thing you need to remember, we use MongoDB to we will be using MongoDB as the database. You can use MySQL if you want, or if you know about MySQL, you can use it. I prefer MongoDB because it works with NoSQL. So why I am saying NoSQL, because see, in MySQL there is a table set of, like, they set the data in a form of a table. Okay, but in not in MongoDB. MongoDB actually sets the data in form of a document. Okay, in form of a document which has a set of a object. Do you understand? It's like a JSON object. It's practically like a JSON object or response that we get back from an API. And when we work in a front end API, we have seen that whenever we check that API, what response we can copy and paste that API to a new tab, or check it through Postman. So we understand that there are so many things to there are a whole set of objects with arrays of objects. Mainly, it's a object, you can say that. So MongoDB stores the data in such way so that it's easily readable, and it's not in a table format but as an object format. And the data that is saved in MongoDB is a documented data, not a SQL server data, but a documented data. Okay, what do I mean by that? I mean by that they have a specific set of document for each and every kind of data. Like for user, you have a specific set of documents. They like for password and so not password, like user data for their user details for they have say another set of documents. A user profile, they have another set of documents. So many things for one catch. Okay, so these kinds of things. So that's how MongoDB helps us, and Mongoose helps us to connect with those data and make those connects, make those workplace better. And there, and eventually we'll understand that with the use of Express.js and Mongoose, we will be able to work much more easier and faster. Okay, with the help of Express.js, we'll be able to work much more and easier and faster. And in the next video, I'll make you understand what is schema that I told you right now. What is schema in Mongoose? We'll be checking in the next video.